Does solar cycle 25 affect Earth? Have you ever wondered what happens when the sun gets a little too active? Well, solar cycle 25 is here, and it's set to peak around July 2025. This cycle is part of the natural rhythm of solar activity, which includes changes in sunspots, solar flares, and coronal mass ejections. So, how does this all affect our planet? First, let's talk about solar flares. These are intense bursts of radiation that can disrupt communication systems on Earth. When a solar flare occurs, it can cause radio blackouts that impact aviation, navigation, and emergency services. Imagine trying to communicate during a crisis and suddenly losing contact. That's the kind of challenge solar flares can create. Next up are coronal mass ejections, or CMEs. These massive clouds of plasma are ejected from the sun's outer layer. When they reach Earth, they can interact with our magnetic field, leading to geomagnetic storms. These storms can induce electrical currents in power grids, which might cause power outages or even damage equipment. Now, let's consider the impact on satellites and navigation systems. Increased solar activity can interfere with satellite communications and systems like Global Positioning System. This can be a big deal for transportation and logistics, where accurate navigation is key. On a brighter note, solar cycle 25 can also lead to stunning aurora displays. These beautiful light shows can be seen at lower latitudes than usual, attracting tourists and nature lovers. However, they also serve as a reminder of the potential disruptions caused by solar activity. For those in positions of power, understanding solar cycle 25 is important. Policymakers can take steps to prepare for these potential disruptions. Investing in infrastructure resilience can help prevent widespread power outages. Developing emergency response plans for communication and navigation issues is also essential for public safety. Moreover, being aware of the economic impacts of solar activity can help leaders create strategies to support affected industries. Public awareness is key too. Educating the public about solar activity can help manage expectations and reduce panic during disruptions. In summary, solar cycle 25 does indeed affect Earth in various ways. From communication disruptions to beautiful auroras, the impacts are significant. It is vital for leaders to be informed and prepared to ensure safety and resilience as we navigate this solar cycle.